Hello students, welcome to my channel Knowledge Nudge. Today we are studying chapter 5 of class 7th DAV Social Science, Water Surrounding the Earth, back exercise. A. Take the correct option. First, the water cycle is answer the continuous movement of water. Second, the three states of water are answer solid, liquids, gas. Third, what turns water on the earth into vapors in the water cycle? Answer the sun. Fourth, when clouds get too heavy to hold water, answer the water falls on the earth. Fifth, in coastal areas, warm ocean currents cause answer rainfall. B. Fill in the blanks. First, the largest natural source of water is oceans. Second, when the level of ocean water rises, it is a high tide. Kolkata Port in India is an example of tidal port. Fourth, tidal energy is a renewable source of energy. Fifth, cold currents flow along the sea coast of the oceans. C. Give the technical term for each of the following statements. First, the process in which water is converted to water vapors through heat of the sun. Second, the continuous circulation of water in the three spheres of earth. Third, a movement in the ocean in which the water particles move up and down. Fourth, it is the purest form of water. Fifth, periodic rise and fall in the level of the ocean water. Answer first, evaporation. Second, water cycle. Third, waves. Fourth, rainwater. Fifth, tides. D. Answer the following questions in brief. First, on what factors does the height of a wave depend? Answer. The height of a wave depends on the speed, strength, and duration of the wind. Second, define an ocean current. Answer. The ocean current is the continuous movement of mass of water in a particular direction. Third, how are tides caused? Answer. Tides are caused due to the gravitational pull of the moon and the sun. Tides occur twice a day. When the level of water rises, it is a high tide, and when the level falls, it is a low tide. Fourth, name the important components of the water cycle. Answer. The important components of the water cycle are sun and water. Fifth, name three valuable resources which are found in abundance in the ocean. Answer. Copper, nickel, and cobalt are the valuable resources found in the ocean. E. Answer the following questions. First, how are tides useful to us? Answer. Tidal energy is harnessed to generate electricity in the coastal areas. Tidal energy is one of the most important renewable source of energy. Sometimes high tide enables big ships to enter the harbor or sail out of the harbor. Second, how are oceans beneficial to us in improving the quality of life? Answer. The oceans facilitate countries and regions to trade with one another. Transportation through oceans is cheaper than any other mode of transport. The marine environment provides animal and plant life for food and trade in abundance. Mineral oil, magnesium, gold, platinum, nickel, copper, and cobalt are some of the valuable minerals found in different parts of the ocean. By this way, oceans are beneficial to us in improving the quality of life. Third, explain the water cycle with the help of diagram. Answer. Water of the ocean is converted into water vapors due to the heat of the sun by the process of evaporation. The evaporated vapors rise up in the atmosphere and condensed into tiny crystals of ice or droplets of water to form clouds. When the water droplets grow in size and are unable to float, they fall down over the Earth's surface as precipitation. It is because of this never-ending circulation this process is called water cycle. Diagram given below, water cycle. Fourth, explain three effects of ocean currents. Answer. The three effects of ocean currents are: first, it influences the climate of the coastal regions of the continents. Second, warm ocean currents rise the temperature and cause rainfall in coastal areas. Third, cold ocean currents lower the temperature and make the climate cool and dry. Fifth, suggest four ways to help people affected by devastation due to tsunami. Answer. The four ways to help the people affected by devastation due to tsunami are: first, try to provide relief to the victims by donating money, clothes, medicines, etc. Second, make a list of people lost and keep advertising till every family is united and supply them with food. Third, move them to safe place and make them feel everything is going to be fine. Fourth, bring first aid and medical help as soon as possible. Thank you for watching the video. If you love it, then like it, share with your friends, Subscribe the channel and don't forget to click the bell icon to get the notifications about further videos.